finger. You help hold the pole. No, don't reel. We're going to cast it.
Nice job, Hailey.
Good cast. You're a really good fisherman. Now we're gonna try to let the fishy bite it, okay? And then we're gonna watch it. You did such a good job, Hailey. Yes, we're gonna call Nana and Papa and tell them, okay? Give me a big hug.
But I caught a fishy, but I caught a fishy enormous.
You caught an enormous fishy?
Yes, I did. But I caught it. But I'm fishing right now. I caught a fishy, but I didn't.
That's a nice song you're singing.
Can you sing it, Mama?
Well, I don't know the words.
No, say even.
Even. I caught an enormous fishy today.
Yes, I did. Yes, I did. I caught an enormous fishy today. And it was pink.
It was pink.
But I want to catch up. I want to catch an orange one.
You want to catch an orange one?
Yeah.
Yeah. All right. Yep, we're trying. Hailey, what are you doing today?
I'm wiggling.
You're wiggling. But what are we doing here?
We're catching fishies.
We're catching fishies? How many fishies have you caught?
I caught
2.
2 fishies, that's right.
Yes.
And you won first place prize for catching the very first fishy out of all these people. You caught the first fish. How does that feel? I'll show you after, honey. Does that feel great? I'll show you after, silly goose. Can you sing your fishy song? 1, 2, 3.
3, 4, 5. I got 6, 7, 9, 10. Then I let him go again. Why did you let him go? Because he bit my
Fingers.
my fingers. Which finger did he bite? This little finger on the right.
Aww.
Move away.